Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a Cash App payment after it's completed. Let's get started. First, it's crucial to understand that once a Cash App payment shows as completed in your transaction history, you typically cannot cancel or reverse it directly through the app. Cash App transactions are designed to be instant and irreversible once they've been fully processed and received by the recipient. However, there are several important steps you can take to potentially recover your funds or resolve payment issues. If you've sent money to the wrong person or believe you've been scammed, your first action should be to immediately contact the recipient directly through Cash App's messaging feature. Open the Cash App and navigate to your Activity tab by tapping the clock icon on the bottom right of your screen. Find the completed payment in your transaction history and tap on it to view the details. From there, you can select the option to request a refund from the recipient. While this doesn't guarantee they'll return your money, many honest users will comply with refund requests for genuine mistakes. If the recipient doesn't respond or refuses to refund your payment, your next step should be to formally dispute the transaction through Cash App support. To do this, go back to the completed payment details and look for the Report a Problem or Dispute This Payment option. You'll need to provide detailed information about why you're disputing the payment, including any evidence of fraud, scams, or mistaken recipient information. Be prepared to explain the situation clearly and provide any supporting documentation you might have. For payments that were genuinely sent to the wrong person by mistake, you can also try contacting Cash App support directly through the app's help section. Tap your profile icon, scroll down to Support, and select Something Else to navigate to the appropriate help category. From there, you can describe your situation to a support representative who may be able to assist you in recovering the funds, though success isn't guaranteed. It's important to note that if the payment was for goods or services that weren't delivered as promised, you should gather all relevant evidence, including screenshots of conversations, product descriptions, and any other documentation that supports your claim. Cash App's dispute process typically requires substantial evidence to proceed with an investigation. To prevent similar situations in the future, always double-check the recipient's information before sending payments. Verify the correct cash tag, phone number, or email address, and consider using the Request feature first to ensure you're dealing with the right person. For larger transactions, you might want to use the Cancel feature that's available for pending payments, as this gives you a brief window to stop the transaction before it completes. Remember that Cash App, like most peer-to-peer payment services, emphasizes that users should only send money to people they know and trust. While these steps can help in some situations, there's no guarantee of recovering completed payments, so prevention is always your best strategy. That's it, guys. See you in the next video.